courses biogeology. Need-based topic the HRD book, the Hurricane author refers to biology. The first topic we have already taken the reproduction organism. Second is human reproduction, already finished. Today third chapter 3 unit 1 reproductive health. Very important. One of the WHO. The reproductive health initiated WHO. WHO is nothing but World Health Organization. WHO is nothing but World Health Organization. World Health Organization initiated. Next, the problem related to reproductive health. The reproductive problems related in your family. The first, there is various factors. There is a factor very important. There are several factors in the flow chart. The first one is here overpopulation. The population is here. First world population is China. Then human already India is developed human population. Then second is yearly marriage. Well population yearly marriage. Third one is infants mortality. The abbreviation is one more place question. IMR. IMR is nothing but infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate. The mortality is nothing but the biological term one of the death. Mortality is nothing but the word death. Infants is nothing but one of the children or child based on the infants. Then fourth one is here health of mother. Health is a nutrition based on the proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins. These are the several factors. Health of mothers. Then fifth one factors. Maternal mortality. Maternal is nothing but mother. Maternal is nothing but very simple word mother. MM. One of the mortality is here MMR. Maternal mortality rate. Then sixth factor. One of the STDs. Sexual transmitted disease. Some example, do you know AIDS? Then seventh one factor, deformities, body parts. The several body parts in the gonads, the hormonal changes, pituitary, thyroid, testes and ovary. So the deformities of the human body. The carriers. The carriers of the genetic factor. Carrier is nothing but one of the genetic factor of the gene. This of the gene is already previous class taken. Thank you. Good morning. Today continues the unit 3 reproductive health care. The first I am reading need for reproductive health and the broad. Good morning. Today continues the unit 3 reproductive health care. The first I am reading need for reproductive health and the broad. Good morning. Today biogeology chapter 3 unit 1 reproductive health. Heading need for reproductive health problem related to strategies. Reproductive health is problems in your family program WHO organization. The world initiate the family planning. The world is a family planning program. A family planning program since initiated in 1951. One of the one mark question. Very important. The world initiate the family planning program since year of passing 1951. One mark question. These programs are periodically adjusted over past decades. The past decades is nothing but decades means 10 years. 10 years is called one of the decades. Past decades and improve the programs currently absent reproductive child health care. This is very important. This program currently reproductive child health care. Then major tasks of reproductive child health program are: first is creating awareness. The awareness is a medical bill. A medical bill is a year of passing. The century is after 18th century. The medical field developments. Creating awareness. The medical field after 18th century development of the medicine, your healthcare program, healthy society. Healthy society. The first point, the second one is sex education. Sex education, then adolescent. Adolescent is nothing but the childhood to adolescent periods, the 13 to 16 age. The adolescent periods, then related to the changes. The adolescent changes is nothing but one of the hormone change. Adolescent is a hormone change. Then physiological body parts, one of the creating of the adolescent change. The educating couples is after marriage, available of the birth control, methods of and family planning. Important, the population control program is called education couples, the birth control program in family planning. Already taken up the year of passing since 1951. Then fourth point, the creating awareness about the pregnant women. The pregnant woman, postnatal care. Prenatal is before pregnant. After program is a postnatal care. Mother and child. The after delivery practitioner. This is not the scientific name. The after delivery is a practitioner. The after child, but mother and child care. Importance of the breastfeeding. Breast milk is not the breast nothing but breast milk. The breast milk is one of the immunity power, one of the antibody. Very important immunology point of view. This lesson IgA antibody. From the importance creating awareness, pregnant, postnatal, mother child. Importance breastfeeding milk. The breastfeeding milk is 6 months after delivery. The child has the immunity point of view. The milk presence of IgA. IgA nothing but immunoglobulin A. The immunity power of the children. Then encouraging and supporting of non-governmental organization, government otherwise non-governmental organization agency involved. Then this is a very important 3 more question. Then amniocentesis and static band. The amniocentesis is nothing but the amniotic fluid. Amniotic fluid in the fetus. This is a very important identification of the male and female sex chromosome identification is process amniocentesis. The static band, the very important one more question, the feticide. This is very important. One of the feticide is here. Female side is a killing process. It's called static band. Yeah, prenatal technique, chromosomal abnormalities, very important. The amniocentesis, first sex identification, male or female child. First point. Second here, misuse of the determination of the sex fetus. Determination of the sex fetus, male child or female child. Identification. The female child is the killing process called a feticide. This is of the 2 mark question and 1 mark question. The amniocentesis, the identification of the female killing process called a feticide. Thank you. Next topic, the social impact of sex ratio. Social impact of sex ratio. The female feticide and infanticide. Infanticide is nothing but children. Infant means child or children. The social impedance of sex ratio, female feticide and infanticide. Heading: India child sex ratio. India, the child sex ratio decreased over decades. Decades is nothing but 10 years. The first decades, the 10 ஆண்டுகளில் the female child sex ratio 1000 male. The first 10 years 1000 male in female is called 927 to 990. The ratio is here decreased past 10 years decades. Very important, one more question. The female feticide and infanticide to aborting the female. Abortion. The abortion is a female child killing process, abortion process. The female and mother wombs. The female pregnant mother body, the killing of female child. The female body, the killing of female child. The killing of female child is called infanticide. Very important. 1 mark and 2 mark question. The killing of female child, gender of discrimination. Gender means male on female child. Male gender or female child. Discrimination is called female infanticide. Heading explanation. The sex ratio, female feticide imbalance. The female feticide imbalance of the UNTPS G Roman letter 2 2018. Very important. 1 more question. Indian question is called the Gender Inequality Index. 2018 Gender Inequality Index. The UNTPS G Roman letter 2 2018 explanation. United Nations Development Programs. G means gender, I means index. Then another one is inequality, gender inequality index. First type, then second index. The India rank 135 out of 187 in countries. The artist developments. Then another heading PCPNDT Act. This is a pre-conception and prenatal diagnostic. This is a pre-conception and prenatal diagnostic technique. Diagnostic technique by identification, male or female child. Technique Act 1994. Very important, 1 mark question. Then the prenatal diagnostic technique Act 1994. Selective abortion. The selective abortion only female child. Okay. The identification of sex-driven use. Then various measures taken the government act programs. Better nutrition. The pregnant mother body, the protein, this nutrition, better nutrition. Comes education. Education nothing but the first month, second month, first week, second week. Then is the pregnant mother body is 280 days. The maintenance process called various better nutrition, education and production, safe. And infants nothing but children or child. More mortality. The infant mortality. Some example, the protein deficiency, then chromosomal abnormalities, then genetic factor is called one of the mortality rate decrease. Then POSCO Act, very important today. Country problems, several countries. POSCO Act. The POSCO Act is a prevention of children from sexual offense. This is called POSCO Act. Justice Burma Committee. Very important, 1 mark question interior. The POSCO Act implementation the government. Justice Burma Committee. Year of passing 2013. AIDS created safe and secure. The POSCO Act main aims the female is a safe secure program. Recent reports of the secure. Then the implement of the UN United Nations India. Your population ratio 1.26 billion. Your population explanation. Okay. Next. The environment for both male and female. Both male and female is a secure program. Recent report of UN United Nations India population ratio is called the population expression. The study of science is here. Population expression process, biostatistics. The population population expression study the demography. Demography. Already previous classes demography. Demography is nothing but the population census. The scientist Malthus, the economic scientist. This is a demography explanation. The population explosion is a increased population, sudden change, population increase, and birth and control. Next topic. To motivate the small families, the population explosion, one child development process. To motivate small families by using various contraceptive devices. Contraceptive, nothing but devices, the male and female. Some example: male is a vasectomy, female is a neurectomy, plus medical surgery plasmas, and hormonal change is a birth control programs. Next class will learn. Is a population expression birth control programs, a marriageable age. The government acts. The female is 18 age, male is 21 years. The couple small families maintains the process, the population expression candidate program. Thank you.
சார் இப்போ எப்படி ஆன் பண்ணுங்க? ஆஃப் பண்ணுமா?